working in Claude, you know, what can you do with it? And so I'm just playing around. And so one of the things is, I'm looking for improve anything basically. And so I asked, can you provide suggestions on how I can improve my time management with the goal of increasing productivity and achieving a better work-life balance? Well, you know, that's good. And so it came up with these things, and it's like start with a daily three instead of a full-blown list. And you can read these, but one of the things that I like to do is I like to take and just I can copy this and I can put in here create create a single page HMTL website on Canvas, not Canva, but Canvas. And then pop in the information from above. And then let's see what that produces. And so what should happen is as I scroll down, you should come over and we're basically it's going to write some code that we can preview. And if this were in Chat GPT, we would see a preview button. And I'm not quite sure if that's going to happen quite here, but basically it has everything I need. So it's building an HMTL. And Canvas is not the same as Canva, by the way. And so what this does, and the reason I like this, it takes the information that you have and it creates kind of for me, a more discernible picture of the analysis. And so we'll see what happens for a moment. So I'm just going to pause for one moment and I pause just for a moment to give it some time to work. So this takes a little bit to do. And so I didn't want to just necessarily keep you on here listening to me blabber. But so it's still going just a little bit. So I'm going to pause one more time. And so here's what's coming up. And so this is essentially on the right hand side is kind of a one page website. And so it took the information there and it essentially created a website. And so what I can do at the moment is I can, to me, this is just easier. It shows you, here's one, two, three, four. It's seven different things, ways that you can improve. And so you can do a lot of things with this. And so I just like it better. And it does work. So you can see even the buttons work too. Well, we won't go there, but normally if you were doing something with the buttons would work, but here energy management, simple shifts. So this is something that you can do, and it doesn't matter. You could take a PDF and mount a PDF in there and still uh, type a single page website, and it would work just fine. So anyway, that's it for the moment. I hope that maybe somebody gets some benefit out of this. Have a great day. Thanks. Bye.